Hello everyone, friends. This is the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Game Pass in Please Donate on iPad or tablet. We go into Please Donate, accept the stand, click View Tutorial, then click Yes. Copy this link, open your browser, click Paste, and create the Game Pass here. Name it, write a description here, then click Create Pass. There, next go into this pass that I just created. And now we need to set up sales here. Enable sales and set its price. There, after that, click Save Changes. There, going back to Roblox. Enter Please Donate, and now we'll have this Game Pass. Here it is. This was Weller with you. Goodbye, everyone.